Hello, boys and girls. It is Friday and it is NTI day number 20. And today you have something very similar to do as to what you did yesterday. So, yesterday you were reading about frogs and fish, and today you have two baseball players to read about. So, we have Jackie Robinson and Roberto Clemente. And I think I cannot talk today. Roberto Clemente's story is really interesting. And I'm going to put some links in the description to some stories about both Jackie Robinson and Roberto Clemente so that you can listen to them and hear more about them. I have these books in my classroom, but I don't have them with me, or I would have read them to you all. But if you want to listen to them and compare and contrast them a little bit more, I'll put the links in the description for you all. So you're going to do the same exact thing that you did yesterday. You're going to read this first paragraph about Jackie Robinson and the second paragraph about Roberto Clemente. And then you're going to color again. So you're coloring the facts about Jackie Robinson, one color, the facts about Roberto Clemente, a different color, and the facts about both of them, a different color. So after you do that, you are going to write those details. You're going to write 3 details about Jackie Robinson, 3 about Clemente, and then 2 about both of them. That's true about both of them. After that, you have another sequence of events review. And remember, sequence of events is picking out those steps in a process. So if you are making this healthy snack that you're going to be reading about, it's called a pita. You are going to look for those transition words like first, now, after, next, finally, then. You're going to listen, or not listen, but read and find those words, and then answer some questions about that order. Okay? All right. I want you to look at this last question too, boys and girls. It says, look at the photo. What should happen next? If we go up here and look at this photo, it looks like it's what? Does that look like it's being made? Like this is before they start? Or like this is finished, like it's ready to eat? If you said that it's ready to eat, I agree. It looks like it's 100% ready to eat. So what step is shown there? The first one, the last one. If it's ready to eat, it's the what? The last one. So what should happen after it's ready to eat? If I have something and I cook it and I make it, what am I going to do next? Eat it. You're right. And I wish I had one of those right now because they look good. I think I need a smoothie or something with fruit in it. I think that sounds good for today. All right, so that's what you're doing. I wish I could read those books to you today, boys and girls. I just don't have them with me. So I'm going to put them in the description and somebody else can read them to you. You don't have to watch them if you don't want to, but you can. I hope you have a good weekend. Go and do something that you think is fun. This evening, we have our Zoom meeting at 5 o'clock, or not Zoom, I think we're doing it on Google Hangouts, but we're meeting at 5 o'clock, so look for that remind so that you can come say hi to us, okay? I'll see you all later. Goodbye.